Have you noticed that after 60, staying strong can require more attention than it used to? Maybe climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or keeping up with everyday activities feels a little different than it did years ago. But what if some simple fruits you already know could play a helpful role in supporting the nutrition your body needs as you age? Today we're looking at 6 fruits that researchers have studied for their nutrients and plant compounds linked with healthy aging. They are not a replacement for strength training, protein, sleep, or recovery, but they may be valuable additions to a lifestyle focused on maintaining strength and staying active. One of the biggest concerns many adults have as they get older is losing the ability to do the things they enjoy. Strength is not just about muscles. It is connected to independence, confidence, and quality of life. As we age, our bodies naturally go through changes. Maintaining muscle can become more challenging because of many factors, including activity levels, nutrition patterns, recovery, and normal aging processes. This is why supporting muscle health requires more than one solution. A balanced approach usually includes regular movement, especially activities that challenge your muscles, enough protein, good recovery habits, and a nutrient-rich eating pattern. So where do fruits fit into this picture? But they can provide important nutrients that support. Fruits do not build muscle by themselves. Overall health and help create a strong foundation for an active lifestyle. Different fruits offer different combinations of vitamins, minerals, fiber, water, and plant compounds. And that is what makes this list interesting. Each fruit brings something different to the table. Let's start with number 6. Number 6, bananas. Bananas may seem like an ordinary fruit, but their biggest advantage is something many people overlook: convenience. For older adults, healthy habits often depend on foods that are easy to enjoy consistently. Bananas require no preparation, are easy to carry, and provide carbohydrates that the body can use for energy. This matters because movement requires fuel, whether it is a daily walk, gardening, or staying active around the house. Having enough energy available can support an active routine. Bananas also contain potassium, a mineral involved in normal muscle function and fluid balance. The lesson with bananas is simple. Sometimes the most useful foods are not the most complicated ones. A nutritious choice that fits easily into your daily life is often easier to maintain. Next, number 5. Number 5, berries. Berries bring something different: variety and color. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and other berries contain plant compounds called polyphenols, which researchers have explored because of their role in the body's natural processes. They also provide fiber and vitamins that contribute to an overall healthy eating pattern. But the interesting part is not just one nutrient. It is the bigger picture. A diet with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables gives your body exposure to many different nutrients. Healthy aging is rarely about finding one perfect food. It is usually about building a pattern of choices that support your body over time. Berries can be added to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or enjoyed on their own. Small additions like this can make nutritious eating more enjoyable. Now, number 4. Number 4, oranges. When many people think about oranges, they immediately think about vitamin C, but this familiar fruit offers more than one benefit. Oranges provide vitamin C, fiber, and a high water content, making them a refreshing part of a balanced diet. Researchers continue to study how diets rich in fruits and vegetables are connected with healthy aging. Nutrients found in fruits contribute to many normal functions throughout the body. For seniors, hydration and food quality are both important parts of daily wellness. An orange can be a simple way to add both nutrition and variety to meals. You might enjoy one with breakfast, as a snack, or alongside a balanced meal. But now comes an important question. When people talk about maintaining muscle after 60, what is the first nutrient most people think about? Usually it is protein. And there is a reason for that. Protein is an important part of muscle health. But here is where many people miss the bigger picture. Your body does not rely on one single nutrient. Muscle health involves a combination of protein intake, physical activity, recovery, and overall nutrition. This is why fruits are not competing with protein. They are simply one part of a larger strategy for supporting an active lifestyle. Now let's continue with number 3. Number 3, apples. Apples represent something powerful in healthy aging: consistency. They are affordable, widely available, easy to store, and familiar to many people. Those qualities matter because the best nutrition habits are usually the ones people can continue over time. Apples contain fiber and plant compounds that researchers have studied in relation to overall health. But perhaps their biggest lesson is that healthy choices do not always need to be complicated. Sometimes improving your daily nutrition starts with simple foods that you can realistically include again and again. An apple with a meal or as a snack can be one small choice that supports a healthier eating pattern. Moving to number 2. Number 2, pomegranate. Pomegranate has gained attention because of its unique collection of plant compounds. Researchers have explored pomegranate and other plant-rich foods because of the ways certain compounds interact with the body. The important point is understanding what this means and what it does not mean. Pomegranate is not a muscle-building shortcut, but it can be another interesting source of nutrients that adds variety to your diet. Some people enjoy pomegranate seeds mixed into yogurt, added to salads, or eaten as part of a meal. Healthy aging often comes from combining many small positive habits rather than searching for one powerful answer. And now, the number 1 fruit. Number 1, kiwi. Kiwi is a small fruit that provides a surprising amount of nutritional value. It contains vitamin C, fiber, and other nutrients that make it a nutrient-rich choice. What makes kiwi interesting is the reminder that even small foods can contribute to a bigger healthy aging pattern. Researchers continue exploring how nutrient-rich diets support overall wellness, but the message remains the same: variety matters. A person who includes different fruits, enough protein, regular movement, and good recovery habits is creating a much stronger foundation than someone searching for a single solution. So how can you use this information in everyday life? You do not need to completely change your routine. Start with realistic steps. Choose fruits you enjoy. Add more variety to your meals. Combine nutritious foods with regular movement that fits your abilities and lifestyle. The goal after 60 is not chasing a miracle food. The goal is supporting your body so you can continue doing the activities that bring meaning to your life. Whether it is walking with friends, playing with grandchildren, gardening, traveling, or simply feeling confident in your daily routine, maintaining strength is about protecting your independence. These 6 fruits are not the whole answer, but they can be one enjoyable part of a lifestyle built around healthy choices. Which fruit from this list do you already eat? And which one would you like to try adding more often? Share your thoughts below. And if you enjoy practical, science-aware tips for healthy aging, consider subscribing for more videos focused on staying active, informed, and independent as you grow older.